Hey, we're so glad so many of you are excited about these trail ruts. We really enjoy seeing the Oregon trail ruts in Oregon. There's a lot of different places where you can see them. Obviously, along I-84, there's several places you can go, but there's also the Barlow Road, which is a road that they took, instead of taking the Columbia River, they took it from the Dells around Mount Hood. There's segments of the trail that you can see there. And then also there's a trail that's similar to the Oregon Trail called the Applegate Trail, which was a trail they created to try to find another route, and that's in southern Oregon, and you can actually see there is at least one good set of ruts you can see there. Anyhow, hey, thank you so much for enjoying our video, and I wanted to let you know, if you're interested in this, check out our website, dinkumtribe.com, DINKUM tribe.com. I have a post that's especially about national parks in Oregon and Washington, and the Oregon National Historical Trail features very strongly in that. So if you're interested in this, follow us, check us out. We talk about the Oregon Trail a lot. Thank you very much.